الله الرحمن الرحيم والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. Hello brothers, sisters, how are you? In today's lesson I would like to show you how we can render our projects after we finish shop drawing. Here I have this model that this is my previous work. It's about 2 to 3 years ago. I did this one. This file is not the final one, so we have some problems here. There are some connections remain. I have this one, or I can use maybe this one. This one is the last one, so this one is finished. It's about the same. I'm not saying total is the same, but about the same, so I can use this one. I always use model views and queries for making search and making work easier for me. As you see here, we have this kind of building. So how we can make a rendering for that? First of all, I'll delete all the unnecessary data or files or things here I have. So I will delete everything. By the way, I copied this one before. Of course, I don't want to lose this one. So I will go to the search bottom. Here we have model as here. We have model view boxes, so I'll delete them. Okay, so I have join boxes. I'll delete them as well. I'll delete one by one because I have to change this one to 3D solid. Okay, so everything I will delete them, and after that I will go to the weldings. I don't need any kind of welding, so I will delete them. For the grid, I will delete them as well. I don't need these grids as well. These lines, I will delete everything. These pointers maybe. When I select this one, I can right click and select similar. So if any kind of the same type is exists in the drawing, so in the model, so I can delete it. Here I have these here levels. I'll delete them. I have to delete this one as well. Cameras, so I can go to the cameras and I'll delete them. So as is here, I have just pure elements like this. And after that, what I can do, I can just select everything and I can explode them. Okay, so it will be a 3D solid. However, sometimes maybe this way make as a problem, so I can make it one by one. Okay, but let us try X for explode. We use explode for this one. And we will see. We can do it one by one. For example, as see, I put into some put this one into some layers, like columns one layer and the main beam one layer, and the secondary one layer. So each one has a layer. So this will help us for putting different material in this. In the future or in the Lumion. So I will wait up to this one will be exploded and I will come back again. So now, as you see here, we have this 3D solid and this one and this one. So everything I think now everything is okay. After that, I can just save as maybe this one I can say solid or 3D solid, just like this, and I'll save this one. Of course, I will open Lumion. I don't need any more advanced steel, so I will close advanced steel. It needs some time to open Lumion, and I will close advanced steel. Here we have in Lumion. So now here what we have load. If you have previous projects, we have some examples, but what I need this one, create new. So where I want to put my building, maybe here, whatever you want. Okay, so let's see here. We want to put in this grass, and after that I want to place, so I want to bring it. We just click here and import a new model, and what I have this one. This is the file name. Okay, I'll just click this sign, and it will import the whole model. And after that we will go with the other parameters, like putting materials and the other parameters, so how we can make cameras, how we can put cameras, how we can put or make videos, how we can make videos and photos as well. It's this important is depend on your computer power, is desktop or laptop, and the how the model is big. So we have to wait up to the Lumion can import the model. So now as you see here, the model is imported, so I have to put in some place, maybe here. Yeah, I'm just by clicking here, it will bring as the model here, as you see. And after importing, I will go to an orbit, navigate between this structure, and after that we will go to this part, which is we can put our materials, the materials that we want. I think that is good. So by right click on the mouse, I can bring it, press W for going forward, press S for backward, press E for bringing lower, and the Q for upper, and A for left side, D for right side. So we'll see. And after that I can just select the model. I can press shift, this will be faster, and space also faster also. So now here I have this point. I want to be on this 0, 0, so I will say type, and I want to be here on 0, and this one 0, just like this. And in the y-axis, if you look at the ground here, in y-axis here we have this point. So what we can do, we can make it lower or higher if we want. So I think now is good, and we can work with it. To be our project looks more reality, we can put some other blocks, bring some blocks here or some buildings around it, and put some concrete. here, and as well put in some cars. We can do all of these. So, but let me first of all go to and put the materials for this model. Okay, first of all I want to put materials. Okay, so for putting the materials, I will go to materials and I will select each one. You see, as here, each one is one layer. So I will go to color. What I can do, I can go to material library, or from the color, I can click here and I can go to raw. If I want to raw, I can go with this one, maybe orange, maybe gray, maybe green, gray, what I want. Maybe this one or this one. Or I can say black and white, or I can say blue. That is here. It's up to me, and I can select one by one. By the way, I can just click here and copy this material, okay, and paste it here for the other. As you see here, it's I made with layers. So while I select one of them, it will change the others as well. Here we have plates. I want to be, of course, it should be the same color for this one, because it's difficult to make this one color and the plates the color. So I will say paste, just like this. Okay. So if you want, it's not of course this one will be yellow like this, but if we want, we can put it into a separate layer in the advanced steel, or in the advanced steel. Yes. So what we have, I have this one. I think this color is good, so I'll not change it. For the bolts, I want to put maybe something like this one, maybe. Yeah, I think it's good, this one, and a realistic one. I can use this one, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I set everything, every colors now, and no, this one is remain. As here it takes glass, so we don't have glass. So what I'm doing, just go to material library, and I can go to edit material, or what I can do, I can just paste the material that I did before. Yeah, this here now is very good, and everything is okay. Okay, so for rendering, when I have to go, I just have to save changes for the material. I have landscape. If I want to change the landscape, I can click here. For example, here, this one, whatever I want. I can choose whatever landscape I need. I can select them. Maybe this one. Anyhow, after that, I will go back to the content library, and I can go to the photo. First of all, I will go to the photo and set my cameras. For example, I want to set this one maybe at an angle. Maybe like this angle. I can store it, and I can put an fx. So I can put this one, all of these effects. or I can just go to custom style, maybe daytime, or maybe realistic, just like this. And I can after that I can go to another camera or another place and want to take another shot, maybe here, take another shot, and I can start this one as well as here. This is realistic, but this one not. I can choose the same thing, or I can just copy the effects, copy and paste it here, just to be the same thing. Okay, and after that maybe another shot here, just store it like this, and again paste it. Of course I can change the real sky here to something morning as here, or I can just make this one here, see the sunset or sunrise, maybe this one. Sorry, it's up to overcast. We can do make it, we can choose whatever we need. For example, this one sunset. Again we can put it night. At night we see how this look, but of course at night we have to put some light is inside. So if we want, we can put some light is. We can say cloudy, so whatever we have. Okay, and this is about the photos. And after that I can click render, and I can go to photo set, so I can set all of it, not current shot. And after that, for which one you want, maybe this desktop is good, and let's say supermarket, and save it. And you see now with a very less time, and it doesn't take a lot of time, we will finish the rendering. This is for pictures and shots like this. But how about the how about the video? Okay, I'll make a video, and I can go for, I can use another color for the video, maybe a material. I will go this one, maybe gray, just like this, or something like this. Copy it, paste, maybe this one, paste. Paste just like this, and this one as well, and to put paste. Okay, so I will just click here, and I will go with a video. I will say record. Okay, for recording I have to know from where I have to start. I think we can start from this point, so I'll keyframe, and after that we will go as we set. And another keyframe, I'll play. If I want to increase and decrease speed, I can increase and decrease the seconds. This is the first one, so I can say okay, and I will record another video, maybe this time from here. I want to go inside like this, so I also add keyframe to this point, add another keyframe, add another keyframe. We will look at the speed. Okay, as here we have for the first one I can or for the first part, what I can do, I can increase a little bit the speed, so I think now this is good. Here what we have, just like this. Okay, maybe another shot for zooming the joint is, add a keyframe, add another keyframe, just like this. So I'll say finish. Here for the style, I have to click here, so it gives give me the entire movie, and after that I will go to custom and I will go to daytime or maybe realistic. So now when I make this one, it will give me for whole the project, as you see here. If I don't click here, it will not give me for the entire project, so each one will be separate than the effect of it will be different than the other. We can change the exposure, we can change the real sky, as we said. We can change the heading, just stop it, we go the heading of the sun, the brightness, the overall brightness, and flip sky. We can do it, and we can say the sky is clear, and just like this. So after that we have to hit render, and if we want to make for example this one night, maybe we can go with the night shot. So just let me after that entire movie, we see the entire movie. And this is the clip 2, which is this one, and now is the third one here. This at night. You see, can make it like this. So it's up to the thing that we want, or let's paste it. Yeah. After that, hit render, and maybe HD, full HD, whatever you want. We say just click save, and it will take some time. You see here 30 minutes, about 30 minutes, and then after that you can put by the way, we can put our text here. There are many things in Lumion we can do it. We can put as I said, we can put as many as things that we want. So hope you enjoyed, guys. Thank you very much.